Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. You may know that Bachelor of Design or BDes or B.Design is an established degree in design field at undergraduate level. BDes degree is a full-time 4-year course offered in various specializations such as fashion designing, interior designing, accessory designing, textile designing and much more. Over the years, the BDes degree has evolved and now offered in various design specializations such as graphic designing, multimedia designing, VFX designing, visual communication and game designing. This broadens the scope of B.Design degree with career options, opportunities in various industries as well as new technology learning. The course curriculum comprises of CAD, CAM, product development, marketing, specialization specific subjects, vocational subjects, elective subjects as well as personality and skills development subjects. Students who pursue BDes course get exposure of the design industry with internships, exhibitions at national as well as international level. So in this video, I will discuss about top BDes colleges across India with their courses, fees, facilities, scholarships, placements, etc. Also, you will be glad to know that we have published our study app. In the app, you will get college information, career guidance videos, chapter-wise suggestions and it has a special feature which is Find Local Teacher. You will get the app download link in this video's description. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be on National Institute of Fashion Technology or NIFT in Mumbai. National Institute of Fashion Technology or NIFT Mumbai was established in the year 1995 under the aegis of Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. NIFT is widely acknowledged as the premier fashion institute in India, incorporating the domains of design, technology and management. Over the 3 decades of its existence, NIFT has been established as one of the highest academic standards in the country and excelled in thoughts of leadership. National Institute of Fashion Technology Mumbai has emerged as one of the best multidisciplinary and multifaceted establishment in the sectors of fashion, design thinking, technology and management. NIFT Mumbai continues to play the pathfinder's role, facilitating business competitiveness in the global context. The institute awards degrees in undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral studies and also offers continuing education programs, engaging aspiring as well as working professionals in a wide range of focused programs. So let's talk about NIFT Mumbai or National Institute of Fashion Technology Mumbai infrastructure facilities. The Craft Cluster Initiative is a landmark effort that seeks to connect the students with the artisans and weavers from across the country. NIFT has played a pioneering role in contributing to various craft segments of the country like textile, apparel, lifestyle accessories and leather. NIFT offers all the campuses a learning experience of the highest standards in fashion pertaining to design, technology and management, facilities and encouraging the remarkably creative student body to draw inspiration from India's textiles and crafts while focusing on emerging global trends relevant to the industries. NIFT Mumbai Infrastructure Campus is packed with all the modern facilities and amenities to make the stay more learning, exploring and experiencing for the students. Various programs at NIFT Mumbai offer the best facilities to its students. National Institute of Fashion Technology Mumbai has a library stocked with 9,000 volumes of books, 2,700 slides, 400 electronic databases, 100 project reports, 58 craft documents, 280 video cassettes, etc. Library Wing subscribes to leading professional journal and fashion magazines like Vogue India, UK and US, Elle Magazine, Design magazines, etc. Number of rooms of in-campus hostel for boys is 56 and for girls hostel that is 560. All are shared rooms. Well, other facilities are cafeteria and canteen, transportation, ramp room, games and sports facility, students clubs and associations, world-class infrastructure, recreational facility, healthcare center, yoga center, gymnasium, and amphitheaters and auditoriums. Labs that help the students to execute their designs and master their skill set at NIFT Mumbai are Machine Room and Materials Workshop, Leather Lab, Jewelry Lab, Painting Lab, Welding Workshop, Design and Creative Thinking Studio, Surface Design Lab, Waving Lab, Textile Testing Lab, CAD Lab, Visual Merchandising Lab, Photography Lab, Pattern Making Lab, Garment Construction Lab, Design Studio, Art Lab, Hand Flat Lab, Shima Seiki Lab, Sports and Lingerie Machine Lab, Specialized SPME Sewn and Product Machinery Equipment Lab, Hanger Systems Material Handling Lab, Design Studio, and Visual Merchandising Display Lab. Apart from these specific labs, the campus has 9 computer labs assigned to every department and foundation. So at next we will know about these colleges' courses. National Institute of Fashion Technology or NIFT Mumbai offers both B.Des and M.Des in Fashion Design, Accessory Design, Textile Design, Knitwear Design and Fashion Communication. This college also offers BF Tech in Apparel Production and MFM in Fashion Management. So let's go through the eligibility criteria. For B.Des and BF Tech, the eligibility criteria is the +2 level examination in the 10+2 pattern of examination of any recognized central or state board of secondary examination such as the Central Board of Secondary Education or the State Board New Delhi and Council for Indian School of Certificate Examination New Delhi. General Certificate Education or the GCE examination from London or Cambridge or Sri Lanka at the advanced or A level or International Baccalaureate or IB. Any public school or board or university examination in India or in foreign countries recognized by the Association of Indian Universities as equivalent to 10+2 system. A passing grade in the senior secondary school examination conducted by the National Open School with a minimum of 5 subjects. 3 or 4 years of diploma recognized by AICTE or a state board of technical education. For M.Des and MFM, undergraduate degree in any discipline from any institute or university recognized by the law in India. Undergraduate diploma of minimum 3 years duration from NIFT or NID. The students joining NIFT have enjoyed a unique opportunity to immerse in a pool of creative genius, learn from technical experts and academics, and interact with professionals in the industry of fashion and players from the wider field of design. The institute provides a common platform for fashion education, design studies, research and development, training and consultancy, and has had the proud privilege of having nurtured some of the finest creative talents in the country. All the details regarding the admissions are available on the official website of the institution, and the admission can be done through the institution website by downloading the application forms provided. The seats reserved for SC, ST, OBC, person with disability or PWD, foreign nationals, SAARC, NRI, state domicile in each program are as 15% for SC, 7.5% for ST, 27% for OBC non-creamy, 5% for personnel with disability or PWD. Horizontal reservation for person with disability or PWD with 40% or more disability cutting across all sections, that is SCs, STs, OBCs non-creamy and general category. Campus and program will be allotted on rotation at NIFT's discretion. Foreign nationals, whether residing in India or abroad, and non-resident Indians who are citizens of India holding an Indian passport and have temporarily immigrated to another country for 6 months or more for work, residence or any other purpose and who meet eligibility and admission requirements of NIFT can also apply for admission. The written exam will be conducted by the institution for all UG and PG design programs before shortlisting a final selection of the students for the students. Personal interviews for the selected students. The financial strategy of the institute places student development as a key priority. A considerable sum from NIFT Development Fund is effectively put to use in this core area every year. To maximize the potential of its students, the institute's Mains Cum Merit Financial Assistance Scheme allows students from humble backgrounds to avail subsidized tuition fee at every campus. Determined by parental income, students can fall into three slabs of monetary assistance. Many students in the past have benefited from this scheme. Further, many leading organizations from the apparel sector have come forward to encourage NIFT students in their academic and creative quest. Pioneers in the related field have instituted awards and scholarships, namely ITC, Homeshop 18, etc., to recognize and complement academic brilliance. This provides motivation to the students from their first year of study. The schemes are Sarthak, NIFT Financial Assistance Scheme, and UDAN or NIFT Means Cum Merit Scheme for Foreign Studies. At NIFT, the dynamic and motivated students are mentored and supported to take on the challenges and opportunities that await them in the industry. The graduates of NIFT understand the nuances of fashion business spanning art, craft, technology and strategy and have acquired the skill sets that will make them adapt to the growing needs of the industry. NIFT Placement Cell is aware of the fact that the fashion industry wants professionals having multi-skill sets and train the students accordingly. Graduates of NIFT have been provided cutting-edge understanding through exposure to emerging challenges, developments, techniques, technology and practice from all over the world. During their program at NIFT, the students undergo a metamorphosis for unfolding their potential, developing skills, and simulating intellectual growth. Their latent potential is honed by committed and skilled faculty drawn from the academia and industry. The placement cell provides interaction with industry leaders and alumni in the classroom, sponsored classroom projects, industry visits, exposure to exhibitions and fairs, internships, joint research endeavors. The hands-on practical learning experience is an industrial environment. On-campus placements, pre-placement officers or PPO and orientation. Top recruiters of NIFT Mumbai are like One-to-One Coacher, 6Y Studio, ABK Ethnics, Broadcast to World, etc. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college in this video's description. So thank you friends for being with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I missed some points about this college that you know, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college.